Hi guys, welcome to the Quiz Network. There are 3 exciting levels including numbers, letters, emojis and math questions. In this video, total 40 questions. Time limit 10 seconds for each puzzle. Every correct answer equal to 1 point. Thanks for sharing your score and feedback on the previous video. We have truly appreciate your support. Now, are you ready for this challenge? Let's begin with some easy level. Genius viewers can find the odd number 25. Fantastic! This one is the odd number 25. Think fast, find smart, find the odd Jolo Chips within 10 seconds. Super fine, this one is the odd chip. Look simple but not easy, find the odd letter. Excellent work, you find the odd letter within time. Are you a number ninja master? Then find the odd number 46. Wow, you have a sharp eyes like a ninja. Look sharp and find the odd honey within 10 seconds. Excellent work. This one is the odd honey. Find the odd imposter letter like S. Excellent work. You find the odd imposter letter. Puzzle master can find the odd number 28. Outstanding work. You are a real puzzle master. MrBeast subscriber, attention here. Can you find the odd MrBeast Chocolate within 10 seconds? Good catch. This one is the odd MrBeast Chocolate. Math lover, attention here. Can you solve these math quiz within 10 seconds? The sixth answer is the correct answer. Can you find the odd camouflage number within 10 seconds? Good job. This one is the odd number. Easy level done. Medium level start. Are you a puzzle master? Then find the odd letter VOF. Super! This one is the odd letter. Look closely and find the odd strawberry milk within 10 seconds. Fantastic work! This one is the odd strawberry milk. Can you find the unique number like 586? Fantastic! This one is the odd number. Alphabet Spy can find the odd letter SOF. Wow, excellent! You find the odd letter. Can you identify the odd lemon within 10 seconds? That one is the odd lemon. Excellent! Are you smart? Then find the odd number within 10 seconds. Yes, you are as smart like Einstein. Super genius can solve these math quiz within 10 seconds. The C option is the correct option. Only 10% can find the odd coconut within 10 seconds. Amazing work! This one is the odd coconut. Test your observation skill. Find the odd number within 10 seconds. Good job! This one is the odd number. Can you pick the odd letter like M-I-N? Excellent work! You picked the odd one. Super challenge! Can you find the odd ramen box within 10 seconds? This ramen box subtitle in English. Are you a super genius? Then find the odd strange number within 10 seconds. Excellent! This one is the odd strange number. Letter hunter can spot the odd letter T-O-X. Fantastic. This one is the different letter. Can you find the odd Pringles within 10 seconds? Super cat, you picked the right odd one. Impossible to find the odd number within 10 seconds. I know this one impossible, but you find it. Can you find the rule breaker letter within 10 seconds? Wow, amazing! You are a focus master. General knowledge quiz. Which is the fastest land animal? Cheetah is the fastest land animal. Test your IQ. Find the number 463. Amazing, your IQ like a Einstein IQ. Can you spot the odd letter like A or T within 10 seconds? Fantastic, you spot the odd letter. Find the unique number like 598. Excellent work. This one is the unique number. Medium level done, hard level start. Only 1% can find the odd Doritos chips within 10 seconds. Wow, amazing! You find the odd chips within 10 seconds. Only sharp eyes can find the odd number within 10 seconds. Can you find the odd letter within 10 seconds? Super, you find the odd letter within time. Brain IQ, find the odd number. Challenge, can you find the odd letter within time? Think fast, find smart, find the odd tacos within 10 seconds. Excellent job, you find the odd one. Visualize challenge, find the odd number within time. Brain booster, can you find the odd letter N or M? Can you find a different number within given time? The last one, can you solve this math quiz within 10 seconds? The right answer, give me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Comment your score. How many did you find the odd numbers, letters, emojis and math questions? And subscribe the channel.